Happy Friday! I'm Julie, keeper of my home. Good morning. I have the overwhelming urge to decorate or rearrange or something. I think I have spring fever. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I have spring fever. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. And I'm also on Facebook, so follow me there as well. Today I am planning on doing something totally different than I was originally planning on doing. I have this cabinet behind me that I just, you know when you just walk by something every day and you keep thinking, I'm so not happy with this, but I don't know what to do with it, or I just don't want to tackle it right now because I'm not really sure what it is that I want to change about it. Well, this cabinet is kind of one of those things that I love but I hate, and I'd love to repaint it, but I'm not going to do that today because I'm not going to get that ambitious and really want to do that when warmer weather comes. But I will show you what I have inside of it for now. You can see I just have a few things, but it tends to be a catch-all. It's an easy place to throw things quick and hide them away so you can't see them. We all have places like that, don't we? But I need to get some of this stuff out, just organize it a little bit more. I don't know. Let me show you the other doors here so I can show you what's in there. CD storage. Yep, we have all of our CDs because we have our Bose player up there, so that will not change. That's gonna stay in there. It's just too easy to have everything in there. I don't want to move that. This I did organize actually not too long ago. I know it doesn't look organized, but it actually is. So I'm probably not going to bother with that cabinet either. But this has definitely got to get cleaned out. In the bottom, there's some drawers and 3 doors down there. That needs to be cleaned out as well. I may or may not get to that. I don't know. I might just work on function and changing this inside here for right now. Believe me, that will be one whole video. I was thinking I could either use this here, you know, just like use it for kitchen storage, or it would also make a great desk area for me as well, because I don't actually have a desk area. I put my computer on my countertop and I do everything there. But this is really cool because I could actually store my stuff up here, and then this slides out, so I have lots of desk space. Comes out pretty far. I could slide a bar stool right up here and just have this desk area. I think that would be kind of cool too. I don't know. I'm torn. What do you think? I don't know. For right now, maybe I will switch it up as kitchen storage, see what it looks like, and go from there. So join me as I rearrange and reinvent. First thing I want to do is empty it out. I'm going to move everything except for these 2 cabinets. I'm not going to open up those and do anything with those. Like I said, I just cleaned this one recently because I needed storage for my essential oils, so that's why I happened to do that one cupboard. Have done the others. And this one, like I said, it's just too easy for me. It's a great storage place for my CDs. It's, I think pretty much for as long as I've had this cabinet, they've always been in there. So it's just a great place for them. But I am going to clean this one out and get this area cleaned off. and go from there. I'm going to use my Caldrea countertop spray. This is, it says it's a limited edition, so they probably don't have this scent on there right now, but it's Gilded Balsam Birch. It smells so good. I kind of really like Caldrea. They have some really good scents. So I'm just going to spray this in here and give it a good wipe down. This is just a microfiber cloth that I got the Dollar Tree actually.
We're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of...
Looks better already. So I'm thinking I want to take these doors off and leave that open. I don't know. I'm thinking I might do that, just something different. So let me get a screwdriver and tackle that little job.
Streams of violet rays coming over me. Must have been dreaming it all. It's beyond me.
Okay, so that was not easy. And I'm gonna say right now, these doors are not going back up unless we have new screws, because I think these ones are stripped. It's been a long while since I have had this apart, because I did paint it this color, but it's been years. I bought this cabinet at a yard sale. I have always loved this cabinet, and then there are days when I don't and I want to sell it, but for now I'm going to hang on to it. So let's get back to work. You'll notice I took some of this stuff down that was up here because when I was yanking on the doors trying to get them off, my clock fell and it broke, so I've got to glue some pieces back together on this. Okay. So I know I have these holes here. Honestly, they don't bother me. I don't know if they'll bother anybody else, but they don't bother me. Now I'm gonna work on getting these filled with something. I have an idea. I like using it for my bowls, but I have some other dishes that I may put in there, so let me show you those. So you know I love dishes, and you know I have the dishes to fill this. If you're new, you can watch my previous videos. I think it's the Clean My Kitchen With Me Part 1. Our heat pump is over here and it's just blowing on my hair. So I went through my cupboards and found a few things. I think we'll go up there. I'm not sure how to coordinate them, or I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I do know that I want to stand some of my plates up behind here. I don't know if they're going to fit though. But I don't have a plate groove. So I'm going to improvise. What I do have is a stick. It's just about 1/4 of an inch thick. I ran upstairs really quick, found this, and I don't keep random sticks upstairs. Well, yes, I kind of do. I have a craft room upstairs that you've not seen yet. And anytime I need something, chances are I will find it in there because there is a little bit of everything up there. So I did find this, painted it really quick, a coordinating color, and obviously it's not gonna fit. So I'm gonna run downstairs and cut it, snip that in a couple of places, and show you how I'm going to transform this. I got those cut with a jigsaw and ran them over the belt sander and just kind of smooth the edges out a little bit. So I have a couple of these, about that size, and a couple little ones, well, 3 little ones. I didn't measure, I just cut. I kind of had an idea of what I wanted, although I don't know if it's going to work out. We'll see. So, with some sticks and a glue gun and a few dishes, let's transform this cabinet.
Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard, halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Baby, I'm
Okay, so I'm not sure. Is it too busy doing 3 plates? I'm thinking it might be too busy. Thinking maybe, or 3 plates, do 2 plates instead of 3. So I have that break, that visual break. I think that works better, don't you? So, let me glue up those.
send a little love, I'll make it back.
Okay, so what do you think? I think I really like it. I like that it's something fresh and something new made from something old. You can do this too if you have a cabinet like this. Just remove the doors. Even in a cabinet, you know, regular kitchen cupboard, you can always remove the doors and just leave open shelves and just have one display cabinet. That's what I like about this one. It's almost a china cabinet of sorts. It totally transformed it, I think. Before it was more utility. Now it's very dressy and it becomes more of a focal point here in my kitchen. These dishes give me so much joy that I just love seeing them, and I can't wait for my husband to come home tonight and see them. So I think he's really gonna love it too. But you know, this is just something simple. It didn't take any money to do this. It was stuff that I had, glue from a glue gun, some sticks, just scraps that I had, and some dishes that I love. So I'd love to hear if you've ever made any transformations like this, if you've ever done something like this, or maybe I've inspired you to try something like this. I'd love it if I did. We can do so much with what we have. We don't need to go out and buy more. We have all of what we need here in our homes. We just have to be resourceful and use our imagination, because really there's so much that we can do. And that's what I love doing. I love transforming. I love making something new out of something old. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see a couple photos that I have there of turning something old into something new. And so go follow me there. I am going to do something with the top of this cabinet and below. I need to clean all of that out and get that organized. But I'm going to continue that in a new video. So until next time.